Hello, here are more of my customers' logo marks made by the professional engraver I know here in Taiwan. I've posted many videos with details about getting one made, and so we'll just say here that the cost is in the $120 US range. Included in that price, I've added a bit for myself, and although it's not necessary, it wouldn't hurt my feelings if you wanted to purchase a tool or two of mine. That would certainly make helping get these done more worth my while. As you can clearly see, the engraver knows what he's doing. Marks are made from H13 steel and are made to be imprinted in hot work pieces. The complexity of the design directly affects the price, whereas the size doesn't seem to have much effect on the price. Designs made of primarily fine lines are always easier to imprint and get a clear impression. When thinking about size, consider the space you have available on your workpieces and how your design will look at any given size. He's done ones for my customers as small as 3 millimeters, which is minuscule, and the upper range is about 25 millimeters, which is close to the largest stock size he uses for these. These marks are approximately 180 millimeters long, or about 7 inches, which is suitable to be handheld. Anyone who's interested, just shoot me an email. Thanks.